Hey, Jacob.
What?
Actually, come hold this for me.
Nah.
Be my umbrella holder. No, it's not gonna matter. No, I need a big umbrella. That's not gonna matter.
Let's see umbrellas with them. Hey, give us that umbrella. Here, give me that. Bring us the umbrella. Oh, you guys are? Okay. Yeah, you want to move over here, yeah? Okay. That's why I said get a smell from over here. Oh! You want to mess it up? Come right here. There you go. I don't want to get my butt food. You want me to move more? Hey, why be there?
Nice try. Hold this. I gotta zoom in and out.
Alright. I can't.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be sitting down too. My umbrella's hitting her umbrella.
Yeah, you can move somewhere else. Alright.
Is this still hitting your umbrella?
Oh, that's
it's
good.
okay. Look, I already...
We go like this. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Hey, what about me?
Get your small umbrella. Yeah. I'm doing it for the team. Center, center, center. Just hold that umbrella. You'll be alright.
Dude, Uncle, I feel like something's watching me.
Ooh.
In back of us.
Oh.
Staring right at us. Hey, Dad, move!
How's your dad gonna move, dude? Hey, don't be poking me with that. No.
No, I'm fixing my umbrella. Calm down.
You know what would be easier if you sit in that little chair, Jacob?
What?
Sit in the little chair and use that umbrella.
Yeah. No.
That's the best, yeah, because you're closer to the ground.
Oh, here we go.
You good? Alright, there we go. Oh,
Nice
yeah.
footwork.
There you go.
Tụi nó có iPhone để có tụi anh xài à?
Yeah, so cha hello.
Yeah.
Oh, check it, Uncle. Check
Oh,
it.
nice, see?
Oh, because
You got
your
leg-
chair's holding it.
Yep, you got a feet rest and an umbrella rest. You're good to go. You good, Danny?
Yeah, yeah, perfect. That's great.
Yeah, you know you turned it off? Why'd you turn it off?
It's on.
Oh.
Is you ready to upload it to YouTube? Yeah. First one?
No, I'm converting it still. It takes a long time to
No,
convert.
not the first game. Yesterday's game.
Yeah.
Any views? Yeah. Broadcast it. Tell the parents about it. Yeah. $5, $10 coupon.
Dad, what you need to do is tell Uncle Levi, he has a heck of friends. Just tell him, and then he tell his friends. All his friends come from his soccer. Hey, Uncle Ben, look. Woo!
Jacob,
Yeah, this thing got
sao hai luôn à?
It's got a good mic on it.
What happened? I can't see because you're in my way.
Take it wide, take it wide.
Okay, I want to move back. Can't see the game.
Okay.
All right. Go, Faith.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, it's all right.
Stay alive.
Still alive.
Yep.
Right
Get
there.
in.
Get it, girls. I can't see. Oh, I messed up my angle. Oh, there you go. Check it. Uncle Vin, look.
Oh, what is that?
Far side. There you go. Go, go, go.
Go.
I like my umbrella. Dad, is this umbrella broken?
No.
Yes, it is. It is broken, huh? Oh yeah, you need to That's it! Oh! That's broken!
Good try.
Good try!
Yeah, take it like a champ.
Alright, Faith! No, it's already broken. This umbrella's broken, the wind broke it.
Jacob, make sure you're wearing a shoe.
The wind blew on it and it fell out. Fell down. Oh, it's on the top, look.
这头啊，看，这搞起绕的搞是。Move in here.
Here.
You want to sit right here? Jay, you can bring your small chair right here, dude. You'd be under the shade.
Look. Oh my God, they're rolling it. Go,
Go, go, go. There you go. Nice. Good job.
Go, Faith! Get her, Faith! Dad.
What?
Right here. Just chill right here, dude.
Oh man, I don't get shit on my feet. I like it.
Nice. Right over here.
Oh, nice kick.
Nice.
Go, Faye! You shush. You should be the one cheering your sister on.